Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching Rishtal Tales. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, take a second to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Now today's haul video is a very budget t-shirt come tops haul, and I've been meaning to do this for very long. It was just that I was caught up with denims, gym wear, lingerie, etc. and etc. But I've been wanting to film this for a very long time. So here it is finally. Now the brands are a mix up. I have ordered from H&M, from Meesho, from a couple of websites. So it's just not a one brand t-shirts haul. But I was trying to pick up all the budget t-shirts, like, you know, under 400 or 500 bucks at max. So that's what we will be reviewing. Now these are mostly to be worn at home, but if you can carry them outside, well and good. I mean, why not, right? So there are a couple of dressy ones here, and most of them are like great for gym wear or just being lazy at home. They can be worn at home. So for me it was a mix of both. So now that I'm done with this and letting you know where they're from, let's just jump into the video. So this first one right here is in white, and this is a very cute t-shirt which has Hero Girl written on it. This is how it looks. Materials pretty good, summery, cottony, synthetic, but it's majorly cotton, and the size I've ordered is small, of course. If you guys are not new to my channel, you guys know most of my sizes are small for tops or for jeans as well. View the t-shirt material wise. The material is kind of transparent here, if you can see here. If you wear like a nude bra underneath it, it'll be good to go, so it shouldn't be that big of a problem. Also, it's pretty loose for a size small, and that's what I was aiming for. Just something super comfy for lazing at home or probably just working out. So you need t-shirts which are not skinny fit, but they give you a decent fit so that you're able to work out and just be free and lazy at home at the same time, you know, comfortable at home. So this was one of those buys. This was ordered from Meesho, and I wasn't really looking out for a specific color in this. They do have a variety of colors. I just don't know. White appealed to me the most, so I ordered white. They do have black, red, yellow, I think a lemon yellow in it as well, and I will be sharing all the Meesho codes and the links I'll be giving in the description box below. So just in case if you guys like it, just go ahead and get it. The cost was really economical. This was just for 220 rupees, I think. Yes, if you're looking out for something super in budget and something which is a simple tee, something which you can wear at home, this one's a very good bargain. So I do have to confess, I have bought a lot of blues lately, not just denims. If you guys haven't checked out my previous video, I will link that here or in the description box. That's a great denim video which has a couple of blue denims as well. Even the tops are in blue a lot. I just feel summer is all about blues, greens, oranges, yellows. So that's what I have done mostly. The tops I have liked have mostly been in navy blue or light blue. In this video as well, there are a couple of tops which are blue, and you will get different colors in it, of course, in the respective links. It's just that I ordered blue because I was feeling it. This is the second top I bought, and it's of course semi-net, and there's crochet or smoking work done all over here. You can wear it like an off-shoulder top as well as an all-shoulder top. This does have lining inside here, the material, and of course there is a net on the sleeves as well. The print is floral, and I really liked it instantly when I saw it. The best part about this top is it's kind of dressy. You can wear. This was a buy which was ordered from Meesho. I also saw a similar one on Amazon. I'll link both below. I think there's a slight difference in pricing. This one was for 400 something rupees on Meesho, and the Amazon one is probably for 500 bucks. I really don't know about the quality of the Amazon one, but this one is pretty good. I mean, I have worn it once. And the third top, here it is. I'm wearing it right now. I thought of just wearing it and filming this video. So this one here is in the color color red, and I had noticed H&M has a couple of Coca-Cola t-shirts as well. I was about to get it from H&M, but then eventually I couldn't get my size. They just had it in XL and double XL if they have that, but there was no small available, so I got this from Meesho. Now the thing about this top is I'm not complaining about the quality much here. It's just that when I ordered a small, the bust size which was written was 36, so I was assuming it's going to be kind of loose, and you know, one of those loose tops which are trending these days and everyone wants to wear them at home, comfortable. To my surprise, this is just super skinny fit for me with a bust of 34. So if you're wanting like a loose version of this, order a size up. So if you're small, go for medium. I was small and I just ordered small. I thought probably it'll be loose because of this bust size mentioned on it, but sadly that's not the case. Not that it's bad, the fitting of the sleeves is perfect and so is the bust fitting, but it's just super tight, I feel, because I wasn't wanting it to be tight. I was wanting it to be slightly loose like the pink one. Though there's a flip side to it, it has been washed once because I wore it last week as well, and the print has slightly started coming off. So in one wash, if the print's coming off, that means something is definitely off with the quality. So I don't know, just buy this one at your own expense. I mean, if you want to really go for this Coca-Cola t-shirt, then you can go for it, but trust me, after 2 or 3 washes, I don't know how much of this Coca-Cola is gonna stay on the t-shirt. So just in case, if you're lucky enough to get it on H&M and the size is available, go for it. I wouldn't really suggest this one to you guys to get it from Meesho. Sorry. So I just did an Urbanic jeans haul, the last video which I had uploaded. If you guys haven't checked it out, do check it out. I'll link in the description box. But I did order a couple of t-shirts from Urbanic as well. So one of the t-shirt actually was like super huge for me. I don't know how I messed up in ordering M instead of S. So it was really baggy and loose, something which just couldn't have been worn, so I've returned that. But this is the second one and I really like this. It has turned out to be just the way I'd wanted it to be. The quality of the material is amazing as well. The print looks pretty hip, so I'm hoping that this would last me at least a year, if not more. I haven't worn it not even once, so even the packaging and everything else is intact. Anyway, this is how it looks. This is the print, basically. Los Angeles Park 1945, that's what it says, and it's tie and dye. I was wanting to get a blue and a yellow tie and dye. The yellow one just turned out to be really loose. This is the blue one and this is just perfect. So this one is actually for almost 500 rupees, but I think for 500 the quality is pretty good. It's pure cotton and this will probably last me longer than the Meesho tops, definitely. So the last and the final one, and yeah, I know it's blue again. I just have a thing for blue these days, I don't know why. So this is the one from H&M and the tag's still on. I haven't worn it yet. It's brand new. The best part which attracted me towards the t-shirt with this smile written on it, and it's so cute. Rest of the t-shirt is plain and pretty sky bluey. So the quality of the Urbanic one is a way better. The cloth is thicker and of course the cloth is softer. So I really used to love H&M basics in the past and I have tons of those, and trust me, they have lasted a very long time, 3 to 4 years, few are even 5 years old. But I don't know how long will this t-shirt last. So I'm not really impressed this time from H&M because I don't know how the quality of the basics are deteriorating. I hope this t-shirt lasts me at least a year, if not more. So my suggestion for you guys will be just opt for the Urbanic one if you really want to spend 500 bucks on a plain simple t-shirt. The quality is way better. Size is extra small in this H&M one because H&M usually has pretty huge sizes. So for me, a small is quite loose. Most of the times I can still risk it with t-shirts, but with dresses and skirts and jeans, I'm very particular. I just get extra small all the time. So that's it guys, that's as far as my t-shirts haul is concerned. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do hit the like button if you really like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. It means a lot to me. It just motivates me every time I'm making a video for you guys, and how helpful it is. Just keep loving the videos and subscribing. Until next time, this is Richa signing out. Ta-da!